When it comes to replacing or installing new windows, choosing the right company can make all the difference in the quality and longevity of your investment. Scottsdale homeowners face unique challenges when it comes to windows, including extreme heat, sun exposure, and dust. Therefore, selecting a window company that provides exceptional quality, comprehensive warranties, and outstanding service is essential. Here's what you should look for to ensure you're working with a trusted Scottsdale window company. Commitment to quality materials and craftsmanship. Quality is the foundation of any window project, and not all window companies in Scottsdale offer the same level of materials and craftsmanship. Scottsdale's hot, dry climate can be tough on window materials, so choosing windows that can withstand these conditions is crucial. High-quality windows should offer durability, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. Energy efficiency. Look for windows that are ENERGY STAR certified or specifically designed for energy efficiency in hot climates. These windows feature double or triple pane glass, low E coatings, and gas-filled chambers that help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Energy-efficient windows can reduce your cooling costs and keep your home cooler in the summer months. UV protection. Scottsdale homeowners should consider windows with built-in UV protection. This feature reduces the amount of harmful UV rays entering your home, preventing furniture, carpets, and other belongings from fading due to prolonged sun exposure. Material quality. Common options include vinyl, wood, fiberglass, and aluminum. Each material has its pros and cons, so ask the company about their recommendations based on Scottsdale's climate and your home's specific needs. Vinyl and fiberglass are often preferred for their low maintenance and durability. Comprehensive warranty coverage. A reliable warranty can save you a lot of money and stress over the life of your windows. Scottsdale window companies that stand behind their products and installation will typically offer strong warranty options. Here's what to look for. Product warranty. Quality windows usually come with a warranty covering the materials themselves, typically anywhere from 10 years to a lifetime. This warranty protects you if the window glass or frame fails due to manufacturing defects. Installation warranty. Even the best windows will underperform if they're not installed correctly. A reputable Scottsdale window company will offer a separate warranty on installation, covering issues that arise from improper installation. Look for companies that offer at least a 1-year installation warranty, though many companies provide coverage for up to 5 years or more. Transferable warranties. If you plan to sell your home, a transferable warranty can add value. This means the warranty can be transferred to the new owner, providing them with the same coverage you receive. Outstanding customer service. From your first consultation to the final installation, exceptional customer service is a sign of a trustworthy Scottsdale window company. Here's how to gauge a company's service quality. Free consultations and estimates. Reputable window companies typically offer free consultations and estimates. During the consultation, a representative should assess your current windows, recommend suitable replacements, and provide a transparent quote. Clear communication. The company should keep you informed throughout the process, from scheduling installation to explaining warranty details. Look for companies that respond promptly to your questions and provide clear timelines for project completion. Professionalism and cleanliness. A professional team should treat your home with respect. Installation crews should be punctual, handle the job efficiently, and clean up afterward. Check online reviews or ask for customer testimonials to get a sense of the company's professionalism. Follow-up support. After installation, some companies offer follow-up support to ensure customer satisfaction. This may include a final inspection to ensure everything is functioning correctly and answering any questions you may have about maintaining your new windows. Experience and reputation. In Scottsdale, experience matters when choosing a window company, especially in an area with specific climate challenges like Scottsdale. Companies that have been serving Scottsdale and the surrounding areas for years are more likely to understand the unique requirements for windows in this environment. Local knowledge. Experienced local companies are familiar with building codes, Scottsdale's climate conditions, and the best materials for the area. They can provide insights into which products perform well over time in Scottsdale's hot, sunny climate. Positive reviews and testimonials. Check online reviews on platforms like Google, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau. Positive feedback and high ratings are indicators of a company's reliability, quality, and customer satisfaction. You can also ask the company for references to speak directly with past clients about their experience. Choosing the right window company in Scottsdale means prioritizing quality, comprehensive warranties, and excellent customer service. By focusing on these aspects, you can ensure that your windows will not only withstand Scottsdale's climate but also provide lasting value, energy efficiency, and style to your home. With the right company, you can enjoy a smooth installation experience and peace of mind knowing your investment is protected.